Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply zoom transitions in Filmora 9. Filmora 9 offers over 300 different types of video transitions, divided into different categories. In order to pull out all of its zoom transitions, go ahead to this search box, and type zoom. It will now show you all the zoom transitions you can add to your video. Let's take this effect as an example. As you can see that the transition lasts a little bit longer than normal. One thing you should do is to control the transition duration so that it can match with your sound effect. To do that, you can right-click on the transition box, select Properties. Alternatively, just double-click on the transition box. At the duration control, let's shorten the transition time to below 1 second. You can also select Overlap, or Prefix for this transition here. Select the duration between 0.1 to 0.2 seconds may give you much better effect according to my experiences. Let's preview with 0.1 seconds duration. That's pretty nice as it matched with the transition swoosh sound effect I use. Alternatively, you can also shorten, or extend the transition duration by dragging the edge of the transition box like this. That's how to add and customize zoom transition in Filmora 9. Now you can add normal transition swoosh sound effect at the transition position to get final result. Go to Audio, Sound Effect, drag the transition swoosh to the audio track, at the zoom transition position. I hope this tutorial can help you make better videos with Filmora 9. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to watch more tutorials like this. Bye for now.
Tell me